여러분 안녕하십니까? 내셔널 인스트루먼트 한국 지사장 이동규입니다. 오늘 비가 오는 궂은 날씨에도 불구하고 아침 일찍부터 NIDays 2016 기술 컨퍼런스에 참석해 주신 기빈 여러분들께 내셔널 인스트루먼트 임직원과 협력업체를 대표하여 진심으로 감사드립니다. NIDay는 매년 800여 분 이상이 참석하는 글로벌 컨퍼런스로 계층 및 자동화 기술 동향을 한눈에 살펴보실 수 있는 행사입니다. 특히 올해는 회사 내셔널 인스트루먼트가 창립 40주년을 맞이한 뜻깊은 해여서 NIDays 기술 컨퍼런스의 의미가 더 크게 느껴집니다. 오늘 행사는 30개 이상의 기술 세션 및 발표자분들, 200여 국내 고객사, 그리고 700명 이상의 엔지니어링 종사자분들, 그리고 25개 이상의 프레스가 참석하는 명실상부한 국내 최고 테스트 앤 메저먼트 기술 컨퍼런스임을 강조드리고 싶습니다. 특히 오늘 이 자리를 빛내주신 모든 얼라이언스 파트너분들과 스폰서분들께도 진심으로 감사의 말씀을 다시 한번 전합니다. 국내 저성장 기조는 언론에서 언급하는 수치 이상으로 여기 계신 모든 분들이 직접 체감하고 계시리라 생각합니다. 하지만 미래창조과학부에서 천명한 19대 미래성장 동력 분야를 살펴보시면 여전히 우리에게는 잠재적인 사업 기회와 엔지니어로서 국내 저성장 기조를 전환할 수 있는 새로운 국면을 제시하고 있습니다. 5G 이동통신, 스마트 자동차, IoT, 지능형 반도체, 재난안전관리, 고기능 무인기 등 우리에게는 무한한 잠재력을 갖고 있는 미래 산업이 존재하고 있습니다. 공교롭게도 회사가 금일 준비한 NIDays 2016 기술 컨퍼런스의 메인 토픽도 향후 한국 기술 산업이 전 세계를 주도할 미래 성장 동력과 딱 맞아 떨어집니다. 앞으로 다가올 미래 성장 동력에 회사가 기여할 그 중심에는 변함없이 그래픽 기반의 시스템 디자인 플랫폼이 있으며 미래 우리 자손들이 지속적으로 번창할 그날에도 회사는 일관성 있는 엔지니어링 플랫폼을 국내 시장에 기여할 것임을 오늘 이 자리에서 약속드립니다. 바쁘신 시간 내주셔서 감사드리며 아무쪼록 유익한 시간이 되시길 기원드립니다. 감사합니다.
다음은 아시아 태평양 지역 부사장 찬드란 네어가 NI 비전에 대해서 소개할 예정입니다. 큰 박수로 맞아주시기 바랍니다.
Good morning and welcome to NIDays. As many of you may know, this is a very special year for National Instruments. It is our 40th year in business, and it is our 30 years of celebrating the introduction of LabVIEW into the market. When we went public about 20 years ago, we had the long term in view. And we introduced this concept of the 100-year plan. This has been the guiding beacon for how we work as a company and the kind of products we introduce into the market. And this guiding principle, or this guiding beacon, has really done us good, and we plan to follow through in the years to come. In 1976, when the company started, GPIB had just become a standard. We caught on to this, and we really liked this approach of a multi-vendor standard that allows instruments and people and engineers and scientists to collaborate and communicate. We took this a step forward. We wanted to create tools and platforms that really would increase the productivity of engineers and scientists. And we wanted to do for engineers and scientists what the spreadsheet did for financial analysis. In 1986, the photograph that you see there is that of Jeff Kodowski, our co-founder and the father of LabVIEW. For the first time, Jeff and his team was able to have structured data flow in a programming language. And what we did with that is we continue to innovate so that you, the engineers and scientists, can continue to make fantastic applications using LabVIEW. When we looked at LabVIEW and we abstracted away the three elements of instrumentation, and you've seen this, what we often call the three-icon demo, and we have the acquisition, analyze, and present. In the mid-'80s, we had this advertisement out that really affirmed our position as the leaders in instrumentation software. We not only changed the way instrumentation software was done once, but we did that twice, with the introduction of LabVIEW with graphical programming language, and also with Lab Windows, which helped the traditional text-based programmers be more productive when they did instrumentation and measurement. We adopted the symbol of the yin and the yang. What this shows really is the close symbiotic relationship between the software and the hardware. The software is the heart of instrumentation, and on the hardware side, what National Instruments has continued to do is to deliver products of higher sampling ability and better resolution. Over the years, with Moore's law, we leveraged semiconductor technology, the improvements in transistor technology, brought that to instrumentation. That, together with PC technology and our software, enabled applications developers in test, measurement, and control to be able to leverage their software development with improved hardware over many years. In the 1920s, when instrumentation first started taking shape as we know it, it was based basically on vacuum tubes. In the 60s, it was based on transistors and microprocessors. Now, the very heart of instrumentation is the software-designed platforms that we have invested over the last 40 years. When you look at all that we've done, basically, if you look on the very left, is the platform-based approach where you, the engineer and scientists, are able to bring together thousands of different applications that you need using a common software platform, LabVIEW, and deploy it on almost any kind of hardware that you need based on the needs of your application. In the middle, what that really manifests is what NI has done on the hardware side of things, where we've looked at the sampling rate and the resolutions that you need for the ever-changing application needs that you have, and to make sure we bring the right hardware to market. And then here on the very right, it's all of us, you, the engineers and the scientists, the ecosystem that brings all this together to address the grand challenges of engineering. This platform has been created by NI over many years, continues to innovate. In fact, when you look at the FPGA technology, the NI Rio architecture enables LabVIEW because of its inherent parallelism and its data flow programming to use the full power of the FPGA to bring it to the instrumentation and control world. And then when you look at the platform, the test and measurement part, this platform spans all of that, goes into the embedded and automation part, and especially with converging technologies and with all these applications that are there today that require diversity of technology to be converged on a single platform, we have created this single platform that spans the entire way from test, measurement, through embedded and control. The connected car is a great example. It not only requires the mechanicals of the car, but it needs to be tightly integrated with the telecommunications, infotainment, GPS, navigation, so on and so forth. To be able to test, to be able to look at these complex systems, we have the ideal platform. Not only for today, but also to take care of future needs. What you see here is an example of radar technology, especially when you look at autonomous vehicles and semi-autonomous vehicles that are taking to the road today. we need to be able to test these, and we provide the platform that not only integrates embedded technologies, but also is able to integrate RF and communication needs on this single platform. Over the last 30 years with LabVIEW, we have made sure that we are able to address the ever-expanding needs of you, the engineer and scientists, for test, measurement, and control applications. This year, once again, we bring the very best LabVIEW in the market, LabVIEW 2016. And through this conference, we will be talking more about that. Apart from the platform, we have created a community. Actually, we haven't created the community, you have created the community. The engineers and the scientists who use our platform to put together complex systems that address the engineering grand challenges. And as we bring this platform to you, and you use the full power of the platform, we appreciate all that you do, and we look forward to having a great NIDays with you. Thank you.